We work hard to give everyone the very best, and when we hear we've made a difference, it makes it all worthwhile. Here's a fantastic review about just one of many happy experiences. We pride ourselves in providing the best possible service now and in the future, and this type of feedback motivates us to keep working hard. Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much. They keep coming back over and over again. We're proud to say we've earned our glowing reviews one at a time. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Contact us today and let us give you the same amazing service.